Kim Kardashian and Kanye West get dissed by Rob Kardashian after he breaks up, then makes up with Blac Chyna. We're gonna explain. Hey guys, it's Chloe for HollywoodLife.com, and let's talk about Rob and Blac Chyna breaking up and making up faster than Kylie Jenner and Tyga. So speculation started when Rob deleted all of his Instagram photos, including the ones of he and Chyna. Then Blac seemingly confirmed the breakup with this meme: when you just get out of a relationship and your hoe friend welcomes you back into the world of hoe. Well, it looks like BC isn't exactly back in the world of hoe, because Rob posted this pic of the two of them on Insta, explaining that they are not broken up and that he deleted the photos to give their relationship more privacy. We'll be digging into what actually happened, don't worry guys. Okay, but Rob has been super busy on the gram. He also posted this photo of big sister Kim Kardashian totally ignoring daughter Northwest as she faceplants hard behind her with the caption, quote, "You ain't got no effing Yeezys." Rob added a very telling "nah." So kind of throwing some shade at Kimye here. Either way, Kim doesn't seem too fazed by it, because she just shared this fully nude selfie claiming she had nothing to wear. Sure, Kim. Okay, well, I have to hear from you guys. Are you team Rob and Blac or team Kimye?